What's the meaning of Art Tatum? Art Tatum. Art Tatum.
Art Tatum. Art Tatum. Art Tatum was an American jazz pianist and virtuoso who gained recognition in the 1930s. He was known for his technical proficiency and unique style of playing. Tatum's music has been described as complex, innovative, and highly influential in the development of modern jazz. He recorded extensively throughout his career, and his recordings continue to inspire jazz musicians today. In short, Art Tatum was a groundbreaking musician who pushed the limits of jazz piano and left an indelible mark on the genre.